Today's video topic is how to maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and well-being. However, with so many conflicting messages about diet and exercise, it can be difficult to know where to start. In this video, we'll discuss some practical tips for maintaining a healthy weight that you can start implementing today. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is key to maintaining a healthy weight. This means consuming a variety of foods from all the food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A balanced diet provides the nutrients your body needs for optimal health and energy levels. It's important to avoid highly processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible, as they can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. 2. Control your portions. Pay attention to your portion sizes and avoid overeating. Portion control is important for weight management because it helps you consume the right amount of calories for your body's needs. A helpful trick is to use smaller plates, which can make it easier to control your portion sizes. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for maintaining a healthy weight. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps your body hydrated, and can help you feel full, which can prevent overeating. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities such as walking, jogging, swimming, or biking. Exercise helps burn calories, build muscle, and improve cardiovascular health. It's also a great way to reduce stress, which can contribute to weight gain. 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for maintaining a healthy weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Getting enough sleep also helps improve mood, energy levels, and overall health. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Stress can trigger overeating and make it harder to stick to healthy habits. Managing stress can help you feel more in control and make better choices when it comes to food and exercise. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle rather than quick fixes or fad diets. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and well-being. By eating a balanced diet, controlling your portions, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress, you can maintain a healthy weight for life. Start implementing these tips today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.